Hey peeps, it's me Kay. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So once again, we are in my kitchen. I am making the brats food for the week. I have made a few more batches since my last video, but this will probably be the last um, meal prep or meal, yeah, I guess meal prep video I'll make for her because um, pretty much it's the same. So I don't feel a need to constantly make more videos unless I try something new or different, which I don't see myself doing. If I do a couple of little treats, I may film that, but otherwise, this will probably be the last full meal video that I do. I am gonna try to do it in real time because I don't want it to make it seem like my last video that it takes all day. It really doesn't. It was just one of those days where I was waiting for things to come in from Amazon Fresh and all that. But today I don't have to wait for anything. I have everything I need, and I want to do it in real time so you can see that it does not take that long. Depending on what you're doing, it can be really quick and easy. So give me a second, hold on. I'm going to show you what I'm using, and we're going to check the time. I'm going to try to remember to, if I don't say the time, I'll put the time up on the screen so you'll see what time it is and what time we finish. All right, so again, background noises, please excuse it. I have the AC on. Hopefully it's not too distracting, but yeah. So hold on and I'll show you what we're making today. Okay, so this is what's on the menu for the brat. We got some peas and carrots finally from Amazon Fresh. We have ground turkey, chicken liver, ground chicken. This is green beans, pumpkin. This is whole wheat elbow macaroni. Now, if your dog has weight issues, overweight, or is at a good weight, this is something that you may want to skip. But mine is underweight, so I add a little extra carbs to put some pounds on her. So this is just what I use. You don't have to use this. What else? Turmeric. It's my turmeric. Again, do your research on turmeric. I'm going to add a little bit of cranberries for, for the same reason we use cranberries. And one more thing, hold on. This was left over from some veggies that I had, so I'm going to add it to hers. This is red pepper and some yellow carrots. Thought it would look pretty. So I'm going to add it in there with her food. All right, I think that is it. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so the time right now is just turned 12:30. So it's 12:30 p.m. We're going to get started, and I'll show you, like I did before, the little process here and there. I will tell you, in case I forget, I will be pureeing this in my little magic bullet. So if I forget to show you, that's what I'm going to do with the peas and carrots, because peas don't digest well in most dogs. Mine's definitely doesn't. And so I'm going to puree it to make it easier to digest, and everything else is going to just get cut up, and I'll show you all that when we get there. All right, so hold on. Okay peeps, I have the veggies chopped up. Look how pretty. And then the peas and carrots and the cranberries are in here. I already pureed it all nicely. Just waiting for the pasta. It's almost done. Already drained the protein, and as you can see, there is still some pink because I don't need to cook it to death like I have to do for Miss Brooklyn. And once everything is done, I'll put it all together and show you what the end product looks like. All right, I'll be back. Okay, we have the pureed peas, carrots, and the cranberries, and the pumpkin. Couple more minutes, the pasta will be done. I'm going to throw in the other veggies, and this meal will be done, 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 you guys. All right, I'll be back. All right, peeps, that's it. All done, all mixed in. Everything's in here. The only thing that she didn't get this time that she usually gets is sweet potatoes because I didn't have any. And I didn't feel like going to the store to buy any. So she'll live with one meal without sweet potatoes. But again, everything is in here. The pumpkin, the string beans, the peas and carrots. You saw me puree that. A little bit of cranberry. Uh, a little bit of yellow carrots and some red pepper. And the whole wheat pasta, chicken and turkey, and liver. So that's it. Again, once this is cooled off, I'm going to split it in half. Half goes in the refrigerator, the other half goes in the freezer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, hold on one second. One quick suggestion. I think I mentioned it in the last video, but I'm not sure. Get yourself, if you're going to prepare your dog's meals yourself, get yourself a kitchen scale. I had this for a while since when I started keto, because I used to measure everything. I don't measure anything anymore, but I use it for Brooklyn now for the most part. And yeah, it's really cheap. I think it may have been $10, probably less than that. If I can find this exact one, I will link it in my Amazon store. If not, there's tons of them on the market. Really, really cheap. You don't need anything fancy. This is really inexpensive. As you can see, it has all the weights and measurements. And you can even put a dish on here before you weigh it out. I'll show you really quick. Let's see if I can find something really quick. All right, so say I put that there. You don't want to count this, so you just push this again and it'll go to 0, and then you can add whatever you're trying to measure in there. All right, you guys, hold on. Okay, so as you can see, it did not, oh, let me show the time. All right, as you can see, it's 1:18. I was actually done before that. I would say maybe 10 after once the pasta was done. So as you can see, less than 45 minutes. All right, so like I was saying, as you can see, it was not difficult at all. Really fast, especially because I use a lot of frozen things. As the pasta was cooking, I chopped up all the vegetables with my little scissors that I like to do. Really, really quick and easy. So that's it for now. I hope this helped anybody who was thinking about making your dog's food. Again, please make sure you do your research, check with your vet, and all the resources that I had in my last video will be down in the description box in this one. And any questions that I may be able to answer, I will answer it if I can. If not, if I know somebody who can, I'll send you there. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. And thanks for watching. Have a great one. Bye.